is the Maligbero Division Finals. Then participating team for the Sangguniang Mataan Inter-Royal Sports Tournament 2024. This is the rematch for the team of Purok 5 and Dodi Luan. Make some noise for the challenger team, Purok 5! Jersey number 4, sorry, jersey number 5, Mendoza.
Big deal lang ito.
Sino ang nanalo partner sa dalawang team na to?
Panoorin lang natin.
Yes ba? Let's go. Jersey number 30, Beloy. Nag-out na bola, pass to Edo, Petria. Nag-gilid, nakuha ni Mendoza, pass to Solis. Out of bounds. Marvin Edo, pass to jersey number 2, Naka Mendoza. Jersey number 11, Super Live. Jersey number 11 for 2, Sublime, Ron, jersey number 25, pass to jersey number 8, Ron Son. Jersey number 8 for 3 points. Jersey number 8, Amel Monsoy. Jersey number 18, Onsinada. Pass to jersey number 18, Tropicales. Sumalaksa. Easy to ball, Marlon Tropicales. Jersey number 8, Sablay. Out of bounds yan. Bola na yan, na GB1. Jersey number 18, Onsinada. Pass to jersey number 5, Mendoza. 2 points. 2 points yan para kay Arnel Mendoza. Jersey number 30, Beloy. Jersey number 30, 4-3. Ano layo na nakatira? Jersey number 11, Subrigaray. Subrigaray. Pass to Tropicales. Ang lasa din doon. Pass to 11, Subrigaray. 4-3. Wala pa rin. Kuha ni jersey number 19. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 25. Alias Jal Morante, 2 points. Jersey number 18, Onsinada setting to play. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to jersey number 11, Subrigaray fake. Pumasok sa gitna, pass to jersey. Bola number 5. Jersey number 5, Edo. Pass to jersey number 5. Oh! Foul jersey number 18, Onsinada. First personal foul, first team foul. Jersey number 2, first draw. Pass yan. Last throw para jersey number 2. Pasok, pasok. Jersey number 18, Onsinada. Onsinada, set in the play. Pumasok sa gitna. Pass to jersey number 5. Number 9. Jersey number 11. Ganda pasa. Easy 2 points para kay Onsinada. Jeremy Andrea. Steal, jersey number 11. Wow. Subrigaray. Umatake. Pero kulit ni Kape. Jersey number 5. Edo. Ang bilis na dimesa. Pass na kay jersey number 8. Na-steal pa rin. Onsinada. Pass to jersey number 20. Tropicales. Easy 2 points. Tropicales yan. Okay, Tropicales. 2 points. Jersey number 30. Beloy. Setting the play. Kalmado lang. Humingi na skip. Pass kita. Balik sa 3 points. 4-3. Sublime. Jersey. Defensive foul para jersey number 85. Jamarante. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Subrigaray. Pass to jersey number 18. Onsinada. Nilalagay gitna. Jersey number 11. Pass sa gilid. Wow. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 18. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Jersey number 13. Ready for
number 30, Tropicales. Pumasok gitna. Pero wala pa rin jersey number 27, 43. Sa hulay, wala rin jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, Marson. Pasok jersey number 25. Balik kay jersey number 8, Boy Jordan. Sa hulay. Number 4, sa hulay. Sayang, ganda ng pasa. Isipin ka right, pero balik kay jersey number 8. Pasok jersey number 13. Pasok jersey number 8. Gandang pasa, no?
Tubulis Arnel Monson. Jersey number 11, Subigaray. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Solis. Bumaba. Tubuyan. Baray Solis.
2 points para kay Solis. Jersey number 25. Pumasok gitna. Pero kung ano jersey number 20, Tropicales. Tropicales.
Foul penalty.
Sampang foul.
Foul jersey number 13, Weloy. First personal foul. Second team foul. Goalie shot para kay jersey number 20, Tropicales. Jason Tropicales.
Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 25. Ball sa hilet. Jersey number 8. Kuha jersey 5. Foul. The jersey number 5. First person foul. Riding for penalty. Jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 30. Buloy. Pass sa gilid. Sa Buloy. Buloy jersey number 5. Pass sa Subrigaray. Wow. Ganda ng pass kay Solis. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 13. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 2. Umatake. Jersey number. Kuya jersey number 5. Kuya jersey number 25. Merate. Oh! What a big shot.
Tubos niya para kay Diamorante.
Jersey number 5. Mendoza. Pass kay jersey number 4. Solis.
15 on the shot clock.
Ready for Sabret. Jersey number 11. Empty shoe. Kinakantahan lang. Ang gandang pasan yan. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 5. Enoch. Balikan jersey number 13. Jersey number 25. Umatake. Sablay. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, Subrigaray. Pumasok sa gitna. Sablay. Jersey number 20.
Sabdaw po.
Sabret. Sabret. Jersey number 2, first person foul, jersey foul.
First shot para kay jersey number 20, Tropicales. No good. Second shot para kay Marlon Tropicales. Pasok yan. Sabret. Jersey number 10 pass to Veloy. Petria. No good. Nahuli jersey number 5 pass to Veloy. Tension. Veloy pass to Nahuli Subrigaray. Pass to jersey number 6 layup. No good. Nahuli Joseph. Kuya Joseph shot diskarte. Nahuli jersey number 4. Sobrang. Wala. May medicine yan.
Jersey number 84, pass to jersey number 13. Another point stop, rep. Jersey number 2. Wow! Foul jersey number 4. First personal foul. Penalty. First shot on jersey number 2. Pasok yan. Second shot on jersey number 2. No good. Para jersey number 24. Sander, pass to Eno. Marvin Eno, with 3. Hey! 3 goes yan. Jersey number 5, Mendoza. Mendoza, 15 on the shot clock. To pick it up, pass to jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 3. And the shoot to Mendoza. So good. Last 1 minute. Jersey number 2. Number 2. Foul jersey number 11. Subi Garay. Second personal foul. First personal foul. Second personal foul penalty. First personal foul penalty. First shot is behind. The first shot, bro. Second shot, para jersey number 2. Gusto ulit yan. Sabre. Isa na lang ang malalaman ng GB1. Jersey number 3, pass to Vega. Pass to jersey number 4. Last 50 seconds. Pass to jersey number 3, Vega. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza, Velocino. Last 40 seconds. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 3. Rubia. Joseph Rubia, no good. Pass to Rubia. Eno, for 3. No good. Nakasasander. Pass to Eno. Foul, jersey number 4. Second personal foul, penalty. First shot, para kay jersey number 5, Eno. Pasok niya, para kay Marvin Eno. Second shot, para kay jersey number 5, Marvin Eno. Pasok ulit niya, lamang na ng isa, ang 5. Jersey number 3, pass to Mendoza. Last 25 seconds on this first quarter. Pass to Vega. Foul, jersey number 5, Marvin Eno. First personal foul, warning for penalty. 20 seconds on shot clock. 15 on the shot clock. Jersey number 3. Set to shoot, Tavira. No good. Now jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 2. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Bakit sa kuya? End of the first quarter. Lamang ng isa, ang 5. Sa mga nasa labas po, pwede ko kayo pumasok dito sa loob.
Yung lang, okay.
Jersey number 18, Phil Joseph. Jersey number 18, Rubia. Clear the play. Jersey number 3, Vega. Ang taas ng pasa. Turnover. Pass to Roman Bural. Jersey number 18, pass to jersey number 25. Morante, foul. Jersey number 3, Vega. First personal foul, first team foul. First throw, mga jersey number 25, Morante. Last throw para kay jersey number 25. Jersey number 4, Solis. Balik kay Tropicales. Balik kay jersey number 16, Odsinada. Odsinada, for 3. Sa tulay, bola ng Purok 5. Jersey number 17, pasa kay jersey number 10, Samuel. Ang gandang pasa, jersey number 25. Tumira. Foul. Jersey number 4. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First throw para kay jersey number 25. Last throw para kay jersey number 25. Pasok para jersey number 25. Gawin yung last throw. Para jersey number 11, Suplicanay. Pass with jersey number 3, Vega. Nakapake. Katola, katrapasa. Jersey number 4, Sablay pa rin. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Lloyd. Jersey number 17. Ang ganda ng pagkaroon. Another turnover. Para si Brock Sulco. Bola ng Golden Villar. Number 7. Jersey number 3, Vega. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa ng jersey number 20, Tropicales. Tumuwersa. Ang ganda ng bola tumuwersa. Jersey number 16, Rubia. 18. Sayang. Jersey number 11, Super Garay. What the pass! What the bait! Tumira sa direct ng mga jersey number 4, Dado, Solis. Foul, jersey number 17. First personal foul, first team foul. First throw by jersey number Solis. Jersey number 4. Last throw para kay jersey number 4. Oxy, jersey number 18, Rubia. Oh, steal by jersey number 11. Nagpapasa para jersey number 3, Vega. 2 points para kay Vega. Jersey number 12, Sabuya. Sila ko yung bola. Pinasa kay Sago. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 11, Suplicanay. Pasa kay Tropicales. Foul. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, first personal foul, second team foul. Last throw para kay jersey number 20, Tropicales. Pasok para kay jersey number 20, Tropicales. Jersey number 25, Morate. Binaba ang bola sa gitna. Wala mapasahan. Jersey number 24, ang ganda ng pagkastuhin doon. Pero sa line. Buwan ang jersey number 4, Solis. Balik kay jersey number 3, Vega. 4-3. Sa line. Buwan ng Morate. Jersey number 25. Pinasa ang jersey number 24. 4-2. Sa line. Buwan pa rin siya ko. Jersey number 20, Tropicales. Sa line. Jersey number 17. Balik ang jersey number 13. Jersey number 17, 4-3. First throw para jersey number 11. This last throw to jersey number 11. Super Canal. Live. Deliver to jersey number 8. Foul. Jersey number 2. Second personal foul. Riding for penalty. First throw para jersey number 20. Sablay. Last throw para jersey number 20. Sablay left throwing for jersey number 11. Capitales. 2 points. Jersey number 13, pass to jersey number 12, Sonia. Sayang, pero jersey number 3, dalawa. Oh, still back, jersey number 35. Dati po Saplet, jersey number 12, oh, mapasay. 2 points, double line. Jersey number 11, Subrigaray. Happy viewing po sa mga nanonood sa live. Ikikot happy. Jersey number 3, pass to Trophy Gayes. Now jersey number 3, pass to Roy. Jersey number 13, Roy. Again. Now ulit ni Sid Bola, 15 on the shot clock. Look lang, kailangan ng Porok 5. Kontra, Golden B1. Jersey number 2, pass to John Morante. Again. Now sorry, pass to Subrigaray. Subrigaray, ayan, Subrigaray. Sa buwan, ang kalamangan. Porok 5. Foul, jersey number 23. First personal foul. 40 foul. First shot para ang jersey number 85, John Morante.
Shout out sa isang SK dyan. Bebe tayo na.
Pasok yan. Second shot para ang jersey number 85, John Morante. Pasok yan. Jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 3, Vega. Pass to jersey number 4, Solis. Pakay ka dyan. Dagger. Now jersey number 2, Bobby Bond. Pass to Subrigaray. Subrigaray. Pass to Solis. Call jersey number 2, P. Garoy. Second personal foul. Penalty. First shot para kay Jason Solis. Lugid yan. Second shot ulit para kay Jason Solis. Lugid. Same ball. 13 on the shot clock. Jersey number 3, pass to Subrigaray. 3, pass! Yan! Wala pa mga kasama. Number 2. Si number 55, John Morante. Pass to Martinello. Tumira. Jersey number 11. Second personal foul warning per penalty. Pasok yan, para Jersey number 2. Jersey number 3, pass to Vega. Nakakuha ni Jersey number 4, pass to Trophy Alex. Jersey number 4. No good. Single shot. Single shot para Jersey number 4. Pasok na yan. Jersey number 25. Pass to Vega. Jersey number 20. Blood. Pass to Jersey number 8. Jersey number 20 below. Jersey number 20 nagkanda ng pasa. Jersey number 25. Mga sa naman, pero kuha ni Jersey number 8. Thank you! 3 points para kay Jersey number 5. Out of bounds, bola ng Purok 5. Jersey number 20. Pass to Leno. Sa mulai para kuha ni Jersey number 11 Sinaga. Kinakagalan ng Sinaga ang bola. Ang madaling magdala. Balik kay Jersey number 3. Vega for 3. 3-5. Jersey number 30. Below. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. For 2. So we're like at the box up. Jersey number 18. What's Sinaga? Balik kay Jersey number 18. May kasama pang foul. Jersey number 10 personal foul. Penalty situation. Last 70 seconds of this third quarter. Jersey number 18. Alciada. Langsung ke foul. Ball three. Sabulan. Pero wala na sila ng 5. Last 5 seconds. Easy 2 points. And on the third quarter, lamang ang Purok 5.
Sideline, sideline. Center line po, center.
Jersey number 11, swooping it at no good. Now jersey number 20, dropping on it. Steve Ball, 92. Jersey number 5, Big Rasta, pass to dropping on it. 86. Foul, jersey number 18 na, Rubia. First personal foul, first team foul. Jersey number 11, Super Eye. Yeah, foul, jersey number 25, Javo Rante. Second personal foul, second team foul. First shot para kay Super Eye. No good. Second shot para kay Super Eye. No good. Sa mga nasa labas po, pwede mo pumasok dito. Maraming salamat po. Jersey number 5, Leno. Foul, jersey number 5, Mendoza. Second personal foul, first team foul. Jersey number 18 pass to mga naisay, pass to Sabuya. Then to shoot. For 2 points, no good. Now jersey number 4, pass to Subigaray. Pass to jersey number 13, out of bounds. Bola na, Porcico. Jersey number 5, Leno, pass to Rubia. Pass to Munalaysay, 15 on the shot clock. And nakabola. And then the shoot. And pass to Sakalaman. Pass to Subigaray. Subigaray, easy to win dyan. Jersey number 18, pass to Sabuya. Sabuya, pass to Jamarat and Estila. Bola ng GB1. Jersey number 11, pass to Mendoza. 94 stop. Balik niya para jersey number 5. Jersey number 18, pass to jersey number 0, Manalaysay. Nakay Manalaysay ang bola. Manalaysay, tinira, no good. Nakay jersey number 2, sorry, pass to Subigaray. Pass to jersey number 4, sorry. Pass to Tropicales. Tropicales. Tumultiyak ng Widyang para jersey number 20. to Manalisay. On the shot clock. First number 18, number 18. They're good. Nasa kanya pa rin ang bola. At the shoot. Here's number 20. Dropping Gales. On the roll. Foul. Counted. Foul. Here's number 0. Manalisay. First personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus shot para jersey number 20. Robbie Gales. Pasok yan. Jersey number 84. Pass to Jamarate. Pass to jersey 84. Sergeant. Pass to jersey number 2. Number 2. Shilani. Pass to Robbie Gales. Robbie Gales. Easy to go yan. First sub, jersey number 24, Sergeant Pass, 2, jersey number 18, Rubia, Joseph Rubia, Hubusay. Jersey number 4, Solid Pass to Mendoza. Pass to Subigaray. Subigaray, 15 on the shot clock. Pass to jersey number 17, Robbie Gales. Pass to Joseph Rubia, foul, jersey number 5, Mendoza. Third personal foul, second team foul. Sandoco. Jersey number 1, Enoch. Pass to jersey number 2, Vega, pass to Subigaray, easy to win them. Jersey 18, pass to jersey 24, Xavier. Pass to Enoch, Marinello, Pia, so good. Now on jersey number 2, foul, jersey number 17. Third personal foul, running for penalty. First shot, jersey number 2. No good. Second shot, para jersey number 2. Jersey number 18, pass, jersey number 11. 10 to shoot. Pass to Vega, for 3. So good. Nakuleno. And a pass to Vega. Vega, layup. No good. Ako jersey number 2. Apat na kalamangan. Na GB1, jersey number 4, Solis. Solis, layup. Tubigyan. Ako jersey number 4. Jersey number 85. Jamarate, pass to Sergeant. Team ball, 14 on the shot clock. Here's number 2. Pass to Enoch, for 3. Good! Good job from Marvin Enoch. Takbo na lang ang kalalawan ng GB1. Here's number 11. Pass to jersey number 3, Vega, pass to Solis. 10 to shoot. Dropping Alice, Diniscate, Camira. Good ball, jersey number 14, Bedoy. First shot para ang jersey number 85, Ja Morante. Just 17 seconds, personal foul, warning for penalty. Second shot para ang jersey number 85, Ja Morante. Makuyan. Jersey number 15, pass. Jersey number 83, Tato, pass. Pass to Subrigaray. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to jersey number 17, Alin. Now holding Robbie Gales. 90 shoot, 80 shoot. Jersey number 83, Tato. Wow. Jersey number 20, 25, Ja Morante. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. First shot para jersey number 83, Dado. Pasok yan. Second shot para jersey number 23, Dado. No good. Dahil Ja Morante, nakuha niya sa 17 na kay Eno. Eno, pass to Benoy. Benoy, nagmamali. Pass to jersey number 2. Foul. Jersey number 20. 23, Dado. Third personal foul. Penalty. First shot. First shot para jersey number 2. No good. Second shot para ang jersey number 2. Pasok yan. Jersey number 30. Ang jersey number 3 pass. Jersey number 80. Rafi Gales. Foul. Jersey number Ita. Arnel Musoy. Third personal foul, second team foul. Second personal foul, penalty sa akin. First shot para ka jersey number 20, Rafi Gales. Jersey number 35, umatake. Doon nakasatira. Jersey number save ball. Ball at Porok 5. Jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Time to shoot. Jersey number 11. Sabray. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 11. Nagdala-draw time. Music 2 points para ay Tropic Palace. Jersey number 5. 2 points para jersey number 5. Jersey number 33. Napaka-easy, 2 points na lang. Jersey number 2, pass to jersey number 5. Supply for jersey number 8. Easy, 2 points. Jersey number 11, Subrigaray. Jersey. Jersey number 3 for 3. Subrigaray. Jersey number 18. First personal foul. Last throw by jersey number 25. Last 1 minute and 49 seconds for his third quarter. Pasok. Ang kanyang last throw by jersey number 25. Jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 11. Sobregaray. Sobregaray. Humingi na street. Mataas sa gitna. Sobregaray. Bola ng Golden Huluan. Steal by jersey number 8. Gonzalo. Sobregaray. Same ball. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 3. Easy, 2 points. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 5. 3 points. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Bola. Ready for timeout, Red. Jersey number 8. Mansor. Pass to jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Foul. Jersey number 4. Timeout. Golden Huluan. Jersey. Service back para ang jersey number 13, Beloy. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, Sonics. 15 seconds to shot. Jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 6. Get on. Last 10 seconds. Jersey number 5. 3 points. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number. End of the third quarter.
Blue ball.
Last quarter na tayo. Jersey number 5, pass. Jersey number 30, Beloy. Pass. Jersey number 2. Spinner, number 5. Jersey number 4, pass. Mendoza. Pass to Sobregaray. Pass to jersey number 18, Ansinada, Cortina, Bishopo. Pass to Tropi, Gales, step to shoot. Jersey number 5, Martinena, pass to jersey number 2, number 2. Naka jersey number 4. Nakuha ng jersey number 11. Sobregaray, pass to Tropi, Gales. Steal. Tapeka, same ball. 16 on the shot clock. Sobregaray, pass to Ansinada. 15 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Now to Gales, Tropi, Gales, to Gales. jersey number 4, Solis. Third personal foul. First team foul. First shot, para jersey number 25, Jamorante. No good. Second shot, para jersey number 25, Jamorante. No good. Now jersey number 2. Number 18, Alcina de Vesta Mendoza. Mendoza pass, Solis out of bounds, ball now, Persico. Just number 25, pass to Miller. Miller, pass to Eno, 15 on the shot clock. Pass, just number 2. Alcina pass to Subirai. 15 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Subirai pass to Bobby Gales. Good design. Veteran smooth. Just over to Iberoy. Foul, juice number 5, Mendoza. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Apat na po yun. Si Mendoza. Just number 8 pass to Beloy. 15 on the shot clock for 3. Good. Tapos, balang GB1 lamang ng 8 ang GB1. Alcina de pass to Solis. Solis, defensive talaga. Just number 4, apat na buwan yung foul. Solis, just number 4, third personal foul. Just number 5, Eno. Pass, just number 3, number 2, simple. 17 on the shot clock. Just number 8 pass, just number 2, number 2, si Superman. Foul na, foul, just number 20, Tropicales. Second personal foul, running for penalty. Just number 2, push shot. No good. Second shot, para jersey number 2. No good. Nakuha ni Tropicales. Pass to Alcinada. Alcinada. Ayan na. Pass to Subigaray. Pass to Dado. Pilisan. Just number 8, Nelson. Pass to Beloy. 15 on the shot clock. Nakuha ni Tropicales. Dalawa lang na sisa. Libat. Pilisan. Timeout. Persico. Just number 8 pass to Beloy. Lumaban ang 12 ang kalaman ng GB1. No good. Naka-jersey number 30. Nakuha ni Subigaray. Super shot para kay jersey number 25, Jamarante. Pasok ulit yan. Jersey number 18, pass, jersey number 1, Solis. Pass, super guy. Pass to Onsinada. Onsinada, pass to Rodriguez. Gusto ko ba siya? Parang Rodriguez. Jersey number 25. Pass, jersey number 8, Monson. Pass to Bele. Bele, foul, jersey number 18, Onsinada. Third personal foul, penalty. First shot para jersey number 30, Bele. Pasok yan. Solo shot para Bele. Bele na bola, nakala bola. Naka-brace na din yung Tropical, pass to Onsinada. Pass to Vega. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Onsinada. 10 to shoot. Subigaray. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 4-3. No good. Nakuha ni Martinero. Pass here to jersey number 2. Number 4. No good. Naka-jersey number 11. Subigaray. Pass to Onsinada. Onsinada. Peaks. Pass to Solis. No good. Naka-jersey number 2. Pass to Bele. Bele, pass to Monson. Monson. No good. Talo red. No good. Nakakuha ni Tropicales. Pass to jersey number 11. Subigaray. Pass to Solis. Solis. Pass to Onsinada. Itinira. 14. No good. Naka-jersey number 2. Pass to Martinero. 14. Time out. Julian. Sa mga nag-aalap po ng trabaho, check nyo lang po si Christian Mendada. Jersey number 11, Subigaray. 15 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Simbola, 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot ulit, 7 to shoot. Mendoza, pass to Subigaray. 5 to shoot. Yeah, good. Nahuli na gata. Foul, jersey number. Player number 3 of Golden Bill 1, Erickson Vega. Unsportsmanlike foul, you have to rest for 3 minutes. 2 free throw for Turok 5 plus ball possession. Three minutes rest for Erickson Vega. 3 minutes. First shot para ang jersey number 30, Veloy. No good. Second shot para ang jersey number 30, Veloy. That's it. Jersey pass to Monson, 4-3. And now pass to John Morante. Pass to Beloy. 10 to shoot. Beloy 8 to shoot. Same ball, 4 to shoot. 4 to shoot tayo, 4 to shoot. 4 to shoot tayo, 4 to shoot. And now pass to Musan. No good. Now we just went to number 2. Just number 4, Solis. Pass to Orsinada. Pass to Supigara. Pass to Solis. Solis. Tuhan. Just number 3. Pass to John Morante. Pass to Eno for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Just number 20 pass to Yusuf Dila. Pass to Yusuf for Solis. Pass to Orsinada. Last minute. Just number 3 pass to Supigara. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Para just number 4. Just number 8, Monsoy. Pass to Beloy. Pass to John Morante. John Morante susubok. No good. Bola ng GD1. Just number 18, Orsinada. Pass to Solis. Pass to Supigara. Pass to Tropicalis. To Buzan para Supigara. Just number 2 pass to Beloy. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan. Just number 3. Tumira. Tumis niya para just number 2 tira. Beloy. Dito sa pass to Solis. Foul. Just number 5. Eno. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Second personal foul, second team foul. Just number 18, Orsinada. Pass to Supigara. Pass to Orsinada. Orsinada. 15 on the shot clock. Mendoza. 10 to shoot. Now just number 2. Foul, pushing number foul, jersey number 8, Monson. Third personal foul penalty. Last 16 seconds. First shot para kay jersey number 18, Onsinada. Pasubiyahin na. Second shot para kay jersey number 18, Onsinada. Pasubiyahin na. Jersey number 2. Pass to Monson. Last 15 seconds. 2 points. No good. Sa kanya ulit. 2 points din. Last 10 seconds. Foul. Jersey number 5. Marvin Neno. Third personal foul. Penalty. Two shot para jersey number 18, Onsinada. Second shot para Onsinada. No good.